Hello Rotarians, aunts and my dear friends. I would like to welcome you for the first bulletin of Rotary Club of Pimpri year 21-22. First of all, I would like to congratulate our Rotarian Pankaj Shah to become the DG of year 21-22. I would also congratulate Rotarian Mehul Parmar, the past president of Rotary Club of Pimpri, for taking club to new heights. Friends, for this year, my focus of projects will be medical, literacy and environment, where Rotary Club of Pimpri will surely achieve new heights and come with new projects and new ideas. I would also present you my new BOD, which has the capability to complete the task given to them. I surely know that this year we are going to rock. So let's serve the people selflessly. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Santosh Ramdas Giranze and I am a Rotarian from Rotary Club of Pimpri. I am working with Eaton Technologies and have 20 plus years of IT experience. In my family, I have mother Sharda, she is a housewife, my wife Dipali, she is working in the SBI Mutual Fund. My daughter Srushti, she is currently pursuing her 10th. My son Vallabh, he is into senior KG in Kamal and Bajaj School. My hobbies include running, cycling, swimming, and I am a aspiring Ironman. Currently, I am in Rotary Club of Pimpri and I like socializing, I like meeting new people, interacting with them. That's it about me. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Rotarian Pawan Suresh Gupta, joined Rotary summer 2016. I am currently serving as a secretary of Rotary Club of Pimpri. By profession, I am a distributor for Cadbury chocolates for PCMC area. My office is located at Thermax Chowk. It's my family business with daddy and brother. My wife Meena Gupta is a housewife. My son just got married last year before COVID, Saloni Gupta. Both are happily married. My daughter married 2 years back with Nikhil. I joined Rotary for socializing and networking with peoples. I am enjoying Rotary to the fullest. Thank you.
Rotary Youth Exchange, a new generation program where a seminar was conducted on 26 June 2021, hosted by Rotary Club of Pimpri. Rotarian Suryakant Jadhav, Youth Director 21-22, was the organizer for this seminar, where Rotary district officers gave information about virtual Rotary Youth Exchange to the Interact Club of City Pride School. Along with many Rotarians, there were students as well as parents attending this program. A total of 72 participants attended this seminar, and Rotex presidents too shared their experiences about Rotary Youth Exchange program. The seminar was started with National Anthem, followed by the question and answers from the City Pride Junior College, and this program was called to adjourn with a vote of thanks by Rotarian Suryakant Jadhav. On 1st of July 2021, as an occasion of Doctors' Day, oxygen concentrators were donated to Aun District Hospital in partnership with Stanley and Decker. This event was held in the leadership of Rotarian Mehul Parmar as well as Medical Director Manish Farande. And on 6th of July, Rotary Club of Pimpri along with Rotary Club of Chakan Airport as well as Stanley Black and Decker handed over 2 concentrators, to one at PHC Kranjkhewegao and other at PHC Chakan Hospital. Under the Synergy project, Rotary Club of Pimpri along with Rotary Club of Walekawadi as well as Sheikh Hasinswadi Youth Foundation visited Vatsalya Samajik Sanstha on 7th of July 2021. Here we distributed 27 food kits, each containing 12 kg sets of vital items as well as 3 fabricated beds for mentally retarded children. Also, Rotarian Pawan Gupta gave away 2,500 rupees for snacks and lunch purposes for the specially disabled students. Looking to their condition, whatever help we provided them under this event was much more beneficial to them. On 8th of July 2021, Rotary Club of Pimpri's past president Mehul Parmar as well as medical director Dr. Manish Farande had organized a blood donation camp due to the scarcity of blood in the Pune district. Along with the helping partners of Rotary Club of Pimpri and Rotary Club of Kalyani Nagar and with Pimpri Serological Institute, this project was carried out. A total of 32 donors kindly donated their blood for this event. On 25th of July, District 3131 has taken the initiative for flood relief in parts of Maharashtra. District 3131 is donating food packets and clothes on primary basis. Up till now, 3 trucks have been dispatched for this relief mission. Disaster Management Director of District 3131, Rotarian Pramod Bhakre, has taken this initiative. Rotary Club of Pimpri has contributed Rs 50,000 for this rescue operation. 800 t-shirts and 300 mosquito nets were also contributed by our club.